أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما آمين يا رب العالمين. Welcome to Mulatul Irab. Today inshallah we are going to continue with Huruf al-Qasm. Let's do the Arabic text first. ثم تجر الاسم باء القسم وواؤه والطاء أيضا فاعلمي لكن تخص الطاء بالاسم اسم الله إذا تعجبت بلا اشتباه. So in this uh, two bait, Imam Al-Hariri is telling us about Huruf al-Qasm that are from uh, the Huruf al-Jar. They are special type of Huruf al-Jar that are taken as oath. We know that an oath in the Arabic language is a rhetorical tool that is used to emphasize and or to confirm a statement, and it is often used to swear by something important or significant. And in the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses oaths to highlight the truth of a statement, uh, to draw attention, and to emphasize the divine realities. So the purpose of mainly the purpose of the oaths are to uh, make strong the listener's conviction, or to stress the truthfulness of a statement, or we can say to highlight a significance of an object being shown by. We can say that. So when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes an oath, it is mostly for the emphasis in speech, and they are used to draw the attention, and just to highlight the importance of what is being said. And we have always seen in the Quran that the entity by which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala swears becomes so significant and so special, um, just emphasizing just emphasizing everything within it and its value as well. So whenever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes an oath, he just wants us to leave all the distractions and to leave everything and to give full attention to the message being conveyed. So let's see what Al-Hariri is telling us about these adwat tawqid, you can say, or adwat of qasam. So in the Bab, we learn about these huruf al-qasam in the bed that summa tajurul al-isma ba'ul qasami. Here, this is the idafa, and this is, you can say, this is this file, and this is maful. You can say it is given after this file, because it is, you can see here, it is with the dhamma, and it is going back to tajurru. So we have this wawauhu. Here again, it is going back to yaudala al-qasm and watau. So here, the huruf qasam are given by Imam al-Hariri, the ba, the waw, and the ta. أيضا فعالمي لكن تخص الطاعة باسم الله إذا تعجبت بالاشتباه. So here, look at the bait 88. Alhamdulillah, you can see the oaths are taken for emphasis, and here Imam Al Hariri is telling us that then the ism is made majroor by the ba of oath, and that is baul qasam. We know that these three huruf are among the huruf jar. That is why even if they are used as for the qasam, they are going to make the ism after them majroor, because they are huruf jar. And wawa wuhu watau aidan fa'alami, and know that it's waw and ta. Also, you should know it that they are among the huruf al qasam. So here, lakin takhussu ta bismillahi, but the ta is specifically associated with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it can only be used for, you can say, for the name of Allah. You will not see this ta with anything else. And when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes an oath using ta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only takes an oath by himself. That means he only takes when this there you see the ta, this is the most emphatic tool of the oath, and you can see is only seen with the lafzul jalala. So Alhamdulillah, these are the bait. Iza ta jab ta bilashtibai. We use them if you we are amazed to without any doubt or problem. That means also with the tajub, we also use these huruf al-qasam. So this is what Imam al-Hariri is telling us. So let's do some explanation for these. We know that these are all huruf al-qasam, and they are from huruf jar, and they are of three types: ba, waw, and ta. They are all adwatul qasam. And we know that these are they are used for the oaths, and oaths are taken for emphasis. That is why we usually see them with the oaths in the Quran. Now, why, like you know that like zanna wa akhwatuha and kana wa akhwatuha, we usually see zanna and kana and with the sisters. So just like that, these three were the huruf, the ba and the ta and the waw. So we take them as ba, and it's uh, you can say the likes like ta and waw. So ba is quite different, you can say, from the other two, the ta and the wow, and we know that they are from the huruf al-qasam. So why they are different? So one thing that is noticeable is that the ba can be used with the pronouns to emphasize a statement or to swear by something. Najuru biha al-ismi zahir wa damir. So it can be used with the ism zahir and with the damir, as we can see billahi wa bihi. So in both cases, this ba is harf qasam, and you can see it is used with the ism zahir, and it has been used with the damir as well. So it can be used with the pronouns to emphasize a statement or swear by something. When attached with the pronoun, it expresses an oath by referring to the pronoun as the object of the oath. So also nastaqdimu fa'il al-qasam maha uqsimu billahi, you can see in the example. So we can also use nastaqdimu, we can also use a fa'il al-qasam with it, like here uqsimu billahi. Also, we see that they can be used with the damir and the ism zahir. Main components that we usually see is, we know that it is the you can see there are three main components. The tool of the oath, that is adatul qasam. Here, the word used to introduce the oath, and object of the oath, that is muqsam bihi, the entity or the thing by which the oath is sworn. And also, we have the Jawabul Qasam, that the answer of the oath and the statement being emphasized by the oath. So we have these three tools that can be seen with an oath. And here in the example, you can see it is with the Ism Zahir, the adat of Qasam, the Muqsam bihi, the entity or the thing by which the oath is sworn, and the answer, which is the statement being emphasized by the oath. So uqsimu billahi, here you can see mainly sometimes you do see adatul qasam and muqsam bihi, and then the rest of the sentence is the jawabul qasam. So also that was a different thing about the ba. Also, we can use it with bika and bikum by the plural form. So it can be used with the pronouns, and it carries the same oath function, but just shifts the focus to the pronoun being sworn by. So it is very you can say it is less common uh, in the Arabic language. Then also نستخدم الواو أكثر فقط مع اسم ظاهر, and this واو you can usually see with the اسم ظاهر, and التاء تستخدم, it is مع لفظ الجلالة فقط. So here ta is only used with as mentioned, it can only be used with Allah Lafzul Jalala. So we see that ta can only be used with Lafzul Jalala. Three things you have to, three main functions you can notice here. Ta can only be used with the Lafzul Jalala, and the ba can be used with the pronoun, unlike ta and wow. That is why it is quite different from the other ta and wow. And wow, Failul Kasam is always mahzoof, and that is means it is dropped. So also notice that for these all huruf, wow, ta, and these tools, wallahi is the wow, where wow is the harfe kasam. It is the least emphatic of the three. Then Tallahi, because it is shown by Lafzul Jalala, then it is the most emphatic form of the oath. Then Billahi, it is used in the context of when you ask a question or something, and also it can be used with the pronouns as well. So we see that these are all the huruf. And objects, we know that it is muksam bihi, that is when, like in wallahi, washamsi, waduhaha, walasri, these are the object of the oath. We can say the object of the oath is the entity or the thing being sworn. So in Quran, we mostly see these by Allah, wallahi, by Allah, washamsi, and waduhaha, by the sun and its brightness. So we usually see these type of qasam or oath uh, given in the Quran. Then also notice that the answer can be for Jawabul Qasam. We see pronouns in the oaths as well. And also, we see in the Quran the oaths are usually used to affirm the divine truths, or also oaths in Arabic are so profound tool that emphasize the significance of a statement, and the Quran they are used to draw attention to Allah's power, His creation, like Vashamsu wa duhaha, and the truths He conveys. So, as a students of Arabic language, understanding the Adwatul Qasam just gives us or enriches our grasp of both the language and the depth of the Quranic rhetoric, that how deep these words are and how deep their meaning is when they are used. We know that there is something important that has going to be said, or there are some important statement that need full attention. So inshallah, we are going to continue the uh, this topic of qasam or oaths in advanced grammar. Inshallah, for now, this huruf al qasam topic for what Imam Hariri told us is completed. As you can see, he gave us this summa tajurul alisma baul kasami wal wawuhu. So and what tau, these he just gave us the introduction to the huruf القسم با واو and ta. أيضا فعالمي لكن تخص ta بسم الله إذا تجبت بلا اشتباه. So Alhamdulillah, according to Mulatul Irab, we are done with Huruf al Qasam, and inshallah, we will discuss more about Huruf al Qasam in our advanced classes. So I'll see you in the next session with Bab al Idafa. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.